submitted it. I missed one. I missed because I misread the question. The other one I missed, but I think I got it correct now. So I've.
Which one's which one?
The only the one that I missed that I'm not sure about is number 7.
Okay.
The confidence interval.
Oh, I got that wrong too.
I think I figured it out though.
Okay.
So yeah, everything else I got right. Did you get it? How did you do?
I missed 7 and 3.
Let me go up to 3.
I think I misread 3.
And I think, yeah, okay. So I did this. You did p hat, didn't you?
Yeah.
Which is exactly what I did. But when I looked at it, I had to go back and really look at it, and it's in the video. It's not in the book. It's actually P, and the reason that it's P is because I pulled this up because I was just like, that's funny that it was the same two things. So P hat is the estimate of the population, which is P. So P is the population.
Oh.
And P hat is the estimation of the population.
Oh. Okay.
So when it says the population proportion, because I looked at proportion, I was like, oh, and P hat is the estimation of that proportion.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what the crap?
Right, because when I looked at it originally, I was like, oh yeah, that's whatever. But then I had to go back and really look at it. So P is the proportion. P is the population proportion, and then P hat is the estimation or whatever it said.
Okay.
I have to go. It's in that first video right towards the beginning.
Okay, I just missed it then when he said it.
Yeah. So let's see if I can. Let me see if I can't rewind back a little bit to that. Okay. So what he says about 32 seconds into that first video, where he's going over the differences between like X bar and P hat, is that it says that P hat estimates P, and then in parentheses being proportion. So that population proportion is P.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Because, I had to really think about that one. Okay, where did you go? Where is... Oh, there you went. Hold on, I gotta pull this out. We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna put this over here. There you are. Okay. So then, yeah. So the rest of them. So then it was just the confidence interval, and I think I got that one correct now. Did you figure that one out?
Well, no. For whatever reason, I can't solve margin of error to save my life on anything. I followed
I got you
exactly how it's written.
I've got you covered on this one. I had to go back and look at this one. Okay, so it's in the second video. He doesn't discuss it really as margin of error. Like I had to look at it, and I kind of guessed if we had the prior estimate. So if you go to the second video about 3 minutes and 43 seconds in, he shows those two and actually this shows up better. Hold on, it might show up better in the book. Let me see if I can pull it out of the book.
Oh, this is Brother Krumer from the math department. This is continuing.
You said 3:22?
3 minutes and 43 seconds, I think. That's where the okay. So take this actually, I saw it better in the book, like it made more sense in the book. So you take that equation, it's going to be, and I chose it because I think we had a previous we have the previous whatever that P is because it's 0.75 in that example. Like the population and P hat are the same thing.
Yeah.
So I used 0.75, and I had to kind of back it out a little bit. So basically, you would enter your. We know that the population is what is the population? 60.
60, yeah.
So if you do so your equation is going to be n equals z over m squared times p star times 1 minus p star. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you put that in, it's going to be n is, so we know that n is 60.
Yeah.
So 60 equals, and then z, because it's a 95% whatever confidence interval, so it's 1.96.
Yeah.
Divided by m, which we don't have, and then that's going to be squared. And then we know that p star is 0.75, so it's going to be 0.75 times 0.25, because that's what 1 minus 0.75 is. So it took me a minute, but if you square 1.96, you'll get 3 point something. And then if you take 0.75 times 0.25, I can't remember the number you get there, but then multiply all that together.
0.1875.
0.1875. Is that what you is that the 0.75 times 0.25?
Yeah.
Okay, so multiply that by whatever 1.96 squared is.
Well, then you have to take the. What do you divide by that?
So once you get, don't divide yet. You're gonna divide by n. So you're gonna divide by 60.
I've got m on the bottom though.
Yeah. Well, don't worry about m, because you're gonna have to end up putting m on the other side. So because you're gonna multiply both sides by m squared to get m by itself, because you're gonna rearrange that formula. If there's nothing I know more how to do is rearrange formulas.
Okay.
So the way to solve for the margin of error, and because we don't have it, you're gonna just take m. So essentially, you want m by itself, right?
Yeah. So here, let me write it down. I'll show you what I've got, and then you can tell me.
Okay. Let me move this over here.
I've got equals.
Hold on a second. Oh, let me reject this. I'm in a meeting. Okay, put that back up there one more time. Okay, so 60 equals what? Yes, exactly. So now what you'll do is you are going to. So I got this. It was all weird. So you'll do. Take this. So take m's. So you're going to multiply m squared on both sides. So that'll get rid of m squared on the right side, and you'll end up with m squared on the left side. And then divide both sides by 60. And that'll get rid of the 60 on the left side, and it'll divide 60 on the right side. So then you should see what says m squared is equal to 1.96 squared times 1.8, whatever that is, divided by 60. Yeah?
Okay.
And then once you do the multiplication, so you'll multiply that, and then you're going to divide by 60. So whatever that number is, you're going to take the square root of that number, which should give you like 0.110.
Wait, you want me?
It's going to give you, huh?
You want me to divide everything by 60?
So take your 1.96 squared and multiply that by that 1.8, whatever that is.
Okay.
And then what do you get? Hit enter. Just hit enter. It's easy that way.
.96 squared.
There's probably an easier way to do it, but this one I think got me the right answer. So
Hey, that's fine. Okay, 0.1875. Let me divide all of that by 60.
And you're going to get a number.
Divided by 60. Okay, so 0.012005.
Then get the square root of that number. Take the square root of that number. And you should get 0.109 something.
Yeah, 0.1095. So then if you round that, it's
0.110.
Yeah, 0.110.
So if you put that back into the original equation, what you're going to end up getting is 59.46. And he said you round up because it's a complete whatever, which gives you 60.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay.
So I double checked it. So 0.110, I believe, is the correct answer for that.
Hold on, let me see what I got the first time. I feel like that's what I put in there.
I didn't get anywhere close to that, so. And I'm happy to submit mine and then whatever, so.
Okay, yeah, so I had 0.014. Okay, so what did we say? 0.110?
0.110, yeah.
Okay.
So that's it, right? That's all of them?
Yeah, because you got all the other ones right. I did too.
So I'm going to hit submit and see what happens.
Okay.
Go to submit quiz. Waiting. Submit quiz. And the result is we are correct.
Sweet.
Yeah, so 0.110. You're all good. And that should give you 100%.
Nice. Yep, perfect. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
What a pain in the butt.
Yeah, well, I'm good at algebra, so I might not be good at this whole statistics thing, but I could rearrange a formula. So.
Well, I really appreciate your help. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hey, I wanted to ask you about, since you're on the thing with me, have you looked at the project stuff yet?
No.
Okay, I looked at it. So basically we have to work as a group to, I don't know if you could turn off the thingy if you want to now, or you could just keep recording if you want.
Hold on.